Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can set up your TCL Android TV for the first time. So as you can see, I have booted it up for the very first time, and this is the screen that you are going to see for the first time. The Google logo, it is loading the screen, and after that the first thing that you will see is to pair your remote. So this is where you are going to pair your remote with your Android TV. So you have to press these two buttons, OK button and back button. So on my remote I'm going to press these two buttons at once, and now it is showing that it is pairing, and now my remote has been paired with my Android TV. After that it is going to show you which language do you want to choose. So I'm going to choose English, and it is going to say quickly set up your TV with Android phone. If you want to transfer anything from your phone or any Google account, you can simply continue with that. I'm just going to skip that. So this is where I can connect my Wi-Fi for the very first time, so it can update the apps. I can click on my Wi-Fi and enter my Wi-Fi password here, and now it's connected. So it is telling me to log into my Google account as well. So this is also important. If you have any Google account that you want to associate with your Android TV, you should sign in. I'm going to skip that for now. So these are the terms and services. You can read it thoroughly by going in each one of them and then accept it. And from here you can choose your location, allow it to get your location, and then you can press OK. Choose your name for your TV, so whatever TV you want, living room, family room, bedroom, or you can also choose a custom name for it as well, where you can type in your name of the TV as well. So I'm just going to choose living room TV, and now it is just walking me through some of the features. I can simply click next. So it is telling me that I can get my apps from Google Play Store. I have Google Assistant, and I can cast my screen but through Chromecast as well. So these are the things that it is going to show you. If I can click this next, it is going to tell me if I'm going to use it in the home environment or if I'm going to use it in the shop environment. So I'm going to choose home environment. This is where I can change my country and region as well. So you only get to choose it once. You cannot change it if you want to change it later. So you can change it from here, and there are again terms and policies. I can simply agree to and click next. Now we wait. So if you have a TCL account, you can log in. I'm going to press skip here as well. Now it is setting up things for us, so I'm just going to wait. And now my TCL Android TV has been completely set up. I can use my Android TV, I can update the apps, I can download the apps and install them and use my Android TV. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.